In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily hide messages from unknown senders on your iPhone. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes, and of course do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks guys. So let's get started, and first off, head over to settings. Then scroll down until you find messages, and that's where you can find unknown and spam option. Just get into it. You will be taken to this page where you should turn on option which is called filter unknown senders. You can just stop at that switcher to turn it on, and then you can hop out settings and open up messages app. After that, filters option will appear towards the top left corner, and if we hit at filters, then we'll be able to filter our messages by known senders, unknown senders, unread messages, and recently deleted. Also, you can show all messages here, that is your default view, and also if you want to hide text messages from unknown senders, you can just select known senders, just like that. Now you can write down in the comments below if you have any questions about the tutorial. Hit the like button if you liked that video, and see you in the next one.